I'd like to welcome you to my little bathroom. I like this bathroom. It's nice and bright. It's easy to see. Look here. I got me the finest toilet paper dispenser in the country. Look at all that toilet paper I can get in there. That's a lot of paper. You could get burgled for having that much toilet paper. Plus, another thing I like about this room, it smells so good. But still, there's something about this room that stinks. You know what it is? Right here. It's these drawer runners. Look at what happens here. That noise, I hate that noise. And then when I shut this door, it bounces back. I hate that bounce back. Some people like to say that that's rebound. Well, I don't care what you call it. I don't like it. Too much noise, too much bounce back, too much rebound. Here's another one. Oh, well, you know why that is? It's because this drawer slide's been installed improperly. This is the #1 mistake that's made when installing ball bearing drawer slides. Now it ain't the fault of the drawer slide. It's installed improperly. This is a really nice KV drawer slide, and just the tiniest little mistake and you get that stuff. So let me show you what that's all about. So you're probably going to say, what's the problem? What's wrong with this? It's called a drawer runner setback, right there. The runner on the ball bearing drawer slide is supposed to be set back 1/8 of an inch from the drawer front. If you don't set it back 1/8 of an inch, then it's gonna, when you shut the door, it's gonna slam against this drawer front. It can even knock the drawer front loose after time. So what they missed is to give a runner setback right there, 1/8 of an inch. And this is for the drawer member, a 1/8 setback. Sometimes people even go worse than that. And they don't put a setback here, but they do put a setback on the cabinet member, and that doubles the problem. So what we're going to discuss today is this runner setback for the drawer member, 1/8 of an inch. That's the mistake right there. We're going to fix it. Put an end to that bounce back stuff, man. So a minute ago we were looking at the drawer member and it didn't have a setback. Now we're looking at the cabinet member and sure enough, they got a setback right here about a 1/16 of an inch. So that just compounds the problem with that bounce back. Here's the drawer slide. Isn't that smooth and nice? So it's a good drawer slide, but it's installed wrong. So we got to fix it. This needs to be lined up even with the face frame. Here's the adjacent drawer front, and we want to fix that so we don't get the bounce back. This needs to be flush. So we're looking at our KV drawer slide here. A couple of things of interest. There is a drawer member and a cabinet member. Let me separate them for you. There's a little provision here. You can pull it apart. This end of the slide pinches on a drawer bumper back here. So that's the feature when it locks into that prevents bounce back. So the slide goes together and you have the cabinet member and a drawer member. This drawer member needs to be set back 1/8 of an inch. This cabinet member needs to be flush with the face frame. That's how it works the best. Let me put it together. Now watch here, right here. There's where that goes. When it goes fully shut, boom, it snubs up on that. If you don't have your setback here on the drawer member, and if you don't have this flush to the face frame, then your drawer is going to go shut, and the front of your drawer, this piece here, is going to slam against the face frame and make all that racket, which we don't like. This is the drawer member. The drawer member needs to be set back 1/8 of an inch from the drawer front. And it wasn't. It was up there tight. So we're going to move it back. This is 1/8 of an inch spacer. It says there right on there, 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to put that right there. Now I know for a fact that I got the 1/8 of an inch setback. And I'm going to screw it on there. I'm going to put in a hole here. There's one hole. You can't see the way I'm holding my tongue to make sure that these things go in there straight, because you have to hold your tongue just a certain way, and then that goes in nice and straight. There, see what I mean? Now, I can remove the spacer. That is the 1/8 inch space that we need to make this reach that snubber in the back end and lock her in place. So I'll do the other side on there, and then we'll put the drawer in and see how she works. What do you think of that? Here we go on the other side. We're going to put in this 1/8 inch spacer. Line up the drawer member exactly where we want it. And then use this Vicks bit here to pilot a hole for the front screw. Now, what you could do to make it a little easier to do the back one is get your tongue where you want it and then put the front one in. Then you won't have to fight so hard to line up the back one. And use the Vicks bit, because this retracts. Oh, everybody should have a Vicks bit. Number 3 Vicks bit. Get yourself one of these if you don't have a Vicks bit. It gets the holes right smack dab in the center. And there we are, the 1/8 inch space that we need. Things should be working pretty good, that's what I say. Here we are, we got the drawer installed. We got the setback where it's supposed to be. And remember this sound that I didn't like on there? Well, now, listen to this. Let's try this one. Oh, that is so sweet. You get rid of that stupid bounce back that's in these drawers. Oh, I don't know, where'd the bounce back go? Oh, I know, there's a towel preventing. Yeah, we don't like that. Yep, this here is pretty nice.